In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add PayPal as a payment method on Google Play Store. For that, we want to open the Play Store app, and then we want to click on the top right of the screen to go to our profile. Once you click there, this menu will appear and you have to click on Payments and Subscriptions. Then click on Payment Methods, and then it will show you the option to add PayPal. Click there, and now you will have to type your email and your cell phone number that you use to create your PayPal account. And once you've done that, that's it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one.